Hello everyone, this is Glow Technology. Turn off the light, then you can see the effect of the northern lights on the ceiling. What kind of experience is that? This is our entertainment room of our office building, with bars, musical instruments, and KTV all available. The roof is the most special place in the whole room because the ceiling can glow when the lights are turned off. When decorating, spray luminous paint on the ceiling. Turn on the UV light to charge the glow paint, and the glow paint absorbs energy. After turning off the UV light, you can see the yellow-green glow from the ceiling. We can use glow paint to make a luminous ceiling, to draw our favorite patterns and text. When the glow paint is full of energy, it can glow for 5 to 6 hours.